Hey, come here. I got a fresh piece of redwood and I want to test the scorch marker on it. We're just gonna do it really quick. Let's go with gratitude. Why not? That seems like a good word for today. Okay, let's see if this works. I have a feeling that redwood is just gonna be awesome with the scorch marker. Whoa, it dried it really fast. It's actually working really well. I think it's because there's no sap in the wood. Hey, not bad. That looks really great. Hey, you know what? Let's put some wood finish on it. It's gonna be a little messy. Oh, oh my gosh. Holy crap. Guys, I think we found a winner when it comes to wood. Redwood is beautiful. What a gorgeous piece of wood.